feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am.
Alright, what do you got for me? Come back. Hey guys, it's Andrew of Red Rose Books TV, and today we're doing an unboxing video. And yes, I brought my own knife. What's in the box? First thing, thumb drive. 1 terabyte flash drive from, don't know, that's okay. I'm gonna hope it works. I don't know if you guys can see that, yeah. So it does a switching mechanism, so I can go from USB Type-C to regular USB. I'm gonna be making tons of content for you guys on this channel and the rest of our social media platforms. So this bad boy is gonna be really, really useful. Time for the lights. Here we have 2 12-inch selfie ring lights. This is gonna be great for videos like this. Videos where we show Ted and Elizabeth bringing bookstore content to you guys. Get the angles right, get that melanin showing. This piece is the adjustable phone / camera holder. And then we got the ring light itself. And we got the legs, the microphones. This is gonna be real big for us. All of Elizabeth's TikToks, all of the Modern Day Bees podcasts. So sound will be crisp. I don't know how it sounds like right now, but it's gonna be better than what it sounds like right now once we have this. This mic is from Synco. It's like a lavalier wireless microphone. Jump into the box. This is super nice presentation, Synco. Didn't know what I was expecting, but it was not this. This is very nice quality casing. Let's unzip it. Oh, wow, okay. So here we got the receiver, and then 2 transmitters. Yeah, so we have these fluffy accessories for siphoning any extra bass, any unwanted treble. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB to Type-C cords as well. I'm loving the switch to USB-C everything. It's making things a lot easier. Is it working? Does this look nice? Yeah. Is this in frame? The real reason why I clicked on this video to unbox our extension cord. Ooh, wow. We opted for all white extension cords. Pretty lengthy as well. Very soft. Nice, that double braiding, triple braiding on the exterior. I'm excited to put these to work. Wow, guys, that was so fun. What was your favorite part about that unboxing experience? Me personally, I was messing with that flash drive. That was a nice flash drive. No, was that not a nice flash drive?
It was nice.
It's pretty nice, yeah. Ted says it's nice. But also those mics were pretty spectacular as well. I'm excited to see how those go. What's in the box? If you like this video, found any part of it enjoyable, informative. Let us know what type of unboxings you wanted to see in the future. Also, if you have a studio in development for your own uses, go down in the description. We'll have all these products in the description below so you can shop for yourself on Amazon. Follow me on Instagram at Andrew_55. The A is a V in Andrew. If you want to follow my TikTok, it's at AndrewTubeBrazen.
I just wanted to try. Hey guys, it's me. Stay tuned for the next video where we talk about the team. And that's broken down between none other than Andrew, who you just saw, myself, and Elizabeth. We'll see you next time.